Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. My name is Liam and this is Grammar Simple, the channel that makes English grammar simple. Okay, today we have a beginner lesson for you. We are going to be talking about there is, there are, there isn't, there aren't. Positives, negatives, and questions. So, if you want to learn English grammar, stay tuned. All right, like I said before, this is a beginner lesson today, and we are going to be talking about there is and there are. Positives, negatives, and questions. Let's begin. First, I would like you to look at the photo. What do you see? There are some things in the photo. What are they? What do you see? Let's talk about 4 things. Number 1, a cat. This is my cat. Her name is Norma Jean. She's very cute. Okay, number 2, a pillow. So I see a cat and a pillow. I also see a carpet. And last, I see a couch. A cat, a pillow, a carpet, a couch. These are things that I see in the photograph. Okay, next photo. Look at the photo. What do you see? Let's think of 4 things that we can see in the photo. Number 1, mountains. Number 2, trees. Number 3, rocks. And number 4, me, Liam. Hi. Mountains, trees, rocks, and Liam. So on the left, we have a cat, a pillow, a carpet, a couch. On the right, we can see mountains, trees, rocks, Liam. Are these words nouns or verbs? What do you think? Do you know? They are nouns. Nouns. So in English, use there is and there are to say that nouns exist. What are nouns? Nouns are people, places, and things. People, places, and things. You can see the picture of my cat. There is a cat. There is a pillow. So, 2 examples of nouns in the photo. A cat, a pillow. Also, in the second example, There are mountains. There are trees. So, a cat, a pillow, mountains, trees, these are things. They are nouns. We use there is for singular nouns. There is a cat. How many cats? A cat. One. One cat. There is a pillow. Singular. One pillow. Use there are for plural nouns. There are mountains. Mountain, one, a mountain. Mountains, more than one, two or three mountains. There are trees. Many trees. Hundreds of trees. So it's plural. On the left, singular. On the right, plural. Are these sentences positive or negative? What do you think? There is a cat. There is a pillow. There are mountains. There are trees. Can you see the cat? Does the cat exist? Yes. These are positive sentences. Positive means they exist. You can see them. In English, use there isn't a or there isn't an. Also use there aren't any to say that nouns do not exist. So, there isn't a, there isn't an, there aren't any. There isn't a lake or an ocean. There isn't a lake or an ocean. Do you see a lake or an ocean? No. It does not exist. There aren't any birds. I don't see any birds. So there aren't any birds in the photograph. So there isn't a lake or an ocean. This means I don't see a lake or an ocean in the photograph. There aren't any birds. I do not see any birds. This means they don't exist in the photo. In English, use is there a or is there an and are there any to ask questions. Is there a? Is there an? Are there any? Is there a cat? Yes, there is. Or you can say, yes, there is a cat. That's correct, too. Is there a lake? No, there isn't. Or No, there isn't a lake. These are singular. Remember, there is there. These are singular. Are there any mountains? Yes, there are. Or, yes, there are mountains. Or, yes, there are some mountains. Or, yes, there are 3 mountains. Are there any birds? No, there aren't. Or, no, there aren't any birds. And these ones are plural. There are there, these are plural. Okay, let's do a short activity or quiz, maybe. Look at the photo. What do you see in the photo? Think of the nouns that you see in the photo. I have some questions for you. Number 1, are there any houses? Number 2, are there any cars? Number 3, are there any people? Number 4, is there a motorcycle? Number 5, are there any animals? Okay, here is a larger picture of everything. Take a look, maybe write down your answer using the grammar. There is, there are, there isn't, there aren't any. Write your answer maybe on a piece of paper, or you can write it in the comment section of this video. I will give you some time to pause the video and write your answers. After, you can push play and check your answers. Okay, are you ready for the answers? First question, are there any houses? Yes, there are 7 houses. I know there are more houses in the background, but it's not important. Are there any houses? Yes, there are 7 houses. Or you can say, yes, there are. That's okay too. Second question, are there any cars? Yes, there are 4 cars. Third question, are there any people? This one is difficult. Maybe the photo is too small to see, but I hope some of you found the people. There are 2 people. Are there any people? Yes, there are 2 people. Where are they? Okay, yeah. Did you get it? A little bit difficult. Is there a motorcycle? No, there isn't a motorcycle. Next question. Are there any animals? I don't see any animals. No, there aren't any animals. Okay, that's it for the video today. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. It really helps the channel grow and reach more people. Thank you. My name is Liam. This is Grammar Simple, the channel that makes English grammar simple. Have a great day. Talk to you soon. Bye.